All right, let's see if this works. So, it's been a couple days since I picked up the Sylvia. I picked it up Thursday the 18th, and today is the 24th. So it's been a couple days since I've had the car. I've driven it a handful of times. I've just been really busy to do more vlogs on it. But that Thursday I picked it up. 2 days later was Idaho's first kind of big car show that was put on by Trace, Track Shark. And it was Track Shark 2020, and I spent all day kind of filming and then showcased the car. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that came up to me and like was stoked on the chassis that I bought. If you did follow me on Instagram, I was kind of reposting like S14 and S13s, you know, off and on, and I was just kind of teasing people like, you know, what car did you think I'd get or anything like that. But for those of you who are right, yes, I did get an S chassis, and yes, I did get a Sylvia S13. So today, right now, I'm not gonna do an overview of the car. I'll do that another day. But right now, I'm going over to my buddy Dylan Rist's house. He's the one who actually installed air on my Subaru. So shout out Dylan. But I'm heading over to his house because I don't have any tools at my house, so we're gonna go and do a compression test on the SR. And then see what kind of condition it's in and kind of just poke around in the engine bay, because the don't really know what is done to the engine, if anything's, some stuff is stock or some stuff is aftermarket. So we're gonna peek around the engine bay, kind of see what's in there, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. And like I said, thank you everyone that came out and talked to me Saturday. It really meant a lot. I didn't really realize a lot of you guys, you know, followed me, or it was really cool that everyone came up to me Saturday. It really made my day, and everyone was stoked on the car. So without further ado, we're gonna drive like 25 minutes, 30 minutes to his house, and yeah. So I don't know how much I can drive it with my. I don't know how much I can drive with the camera in my hand. Doing it. With it being right-hand side drive, and it's weird to shift with the left hand. I'm still getting used to that. I keep going over to the left side of the road instead of staying in the middle, or staying to the right side of the lane. So yeah, that's something new to me. So we'll go do that real quick, and then we'll start it up. You guys can hear the cold start though, so we'll do that. I'm like on E, so I gotta stop at the gas station, grab some gas before we head out to Star. But I don't know how much filming I can film while I'm driving out there, so we're probably just gonna switch back to Dylan's right now, or to the gas station, or whatever. I don't know. One thing I do have to get kind of used to is it does have regular seat belts, but I always put on the 4-point harness or 5-point harness, whatever this thing is. But yeah, go ahead and fill it up. Got that premium.
There's some oil in there.
Is there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, not much, but maybe a little pool there.
Oh yeah.
What, you're recording now?
Yeah, why not?
Oh.
Everyone remembers you. All my 1.3 thousand subscribers that I have.
1.3 thousand subscribers.
Yeah, because, you know, if anyone doesn't know, I already said this before, Dylan was the one who installed air on my car. Struggling there.
Now it's hot.
But after this engine cools down, we're going to do a compression test on it and see if everything's in tip-top shape. So if there's oil in there, a little bit of it, what does that mean?
You're just pulling oil through the intake, which is then going through the turbo. So, which gets oil into your intercooler, all your charge piping, your intake manifold.
So if there was way more than what there was, that would be a really big issue, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
But I wouldn't be concerned about that.
Okay.
That tells me, yeah, you most likely have a PCV issue. So, bam, you'll
Bam.
fix that with a catch can.
Cool. All right, so then, yeah. Yeah, so I really haven't did an overview of this car yet, and like I'm going to. But right now, when I bought it from Roy, he said it was leaking oil. But the other day we found where it was coming from. It was coming from the OEM catch can, and there is a hose underneath that there is a hole in. So it is allowing it to escape when it pretty much goes high boost. So I can like shift and have boost at like a low boost at like 3 to 4K, but as soon as I go over, it's starting to yeet on out. So easy fix. Hopefully that's all we need to do. Dylan, inform us on what we're doing.
We're removing a very hot spark plug. Coil cover. Sick zip ties, bro.
Now, why would there be zip ties?
Probably to keep your plugs plugged in. And to keep these from popping up.
Probably. Full of oil, boys and girls. Smooth valve cover gasket, new seals. At least we're doing it right now instead of like later down the road and have it yeet itself. Alright, so we had to run to my mom to go get a 3/8 extender, and what did we get? A 16 millimeter deep socket and a 5/8. So hopefully that will work, because we couldn't get into the actual spark plugs and pull them out. But we'll see how this goes.
Because it is still warm, it really should be completely cold when you do this, but the ring's completely cold. We'll do it as is, because that's one issue. And so realistically what we're looking for is consistency.
Okay. Cool. So we need to pop all 4 out, which I'll just set it up right here and I can do. Okay. Just got a little stethoscope.
This is not a stethoscope.
You're gonna put it around your ears. I know what it is.
Yeah, so just crank until I tell you.
What are the readings, Doc?
140,
Probably where it needs to be.
which is a good number.
Yeah.
So, but it is still wet because of the oil. So your oil rings, everything is closed.
Are you missing the sunset right now?
Yeah, I'm missing the sunset right now.
You need to not miss the sunset right now.
I'm missing the sunset.
Okay.
You need to not miss the
We can. Oh my God.
It's been popping for like an hour straight. Am I in the vlog or something?
Yeah, you know what's popping? Oil in my spark plugs. Like my camera's not even picking you up.
Oh
It's
god, oh god, oh god, they can't melt, they can't melt. Yes! Both my taillights work, just so you know.
so.
Big oof.
That's a big oof right there.
That's a big oof. So,
Big oof.
We'll move forward on doing the valve cover and the spark plug tube seals and doing your catch can.
Yeah.
And then we'll do a completely dry, cold test and see where it goes.
Okay. It's not what I like to hear.
No, he just came out for a night. It's just a compression test, man.
Now it's a depression test.
It's a depression.
Depression. We got depression tests now.
Here's your high, come crashing down.
Yeah, it's like,
here's the fucking.
oh, we got 150, 150, 140, 90. Whatever. Hopefully doing what we need to do will.
Well, so
We just need to give it more numbers.
Can we just write it down on a piece of paper?
I owe you many PSI.
Yeah. Alright, so to kind of end the day, to recap what we did was basically, I don't know what the hell this is. So right now, I just need a spark plug tube seals, valve cover gasket, which should come with the spark plug tube seals, and the catch can with the breather. Those are the main things that I need to replace right now. And then, if I wanted to, I can replace a valve cover with an S13.4 valve cover, which will create less bypass or blow by with the SR20. So those are the things that I really need to replace right now, and then we'll go ahead and see what else needs to be what else needs to happen, what else we need to replace. We also did a compression test, so all three were hitting 140 to 150, and the last one was hitting 90. I do have higher hopes to see if we don't need to rebuild, because it was not all the way cold, and there is oil in the spark where the spark plugs sit. So hopefully all that will be the same compression numbers. So that's where the build is currently at right now. I don't know if I should. I think if I did an overview of the car, of what the car has on it and everything, it'll probably be here in the next couple days. But right now, I'm just going. I don't really have a schedule with this car. It's just whenever I do stuff with it is when I'll film a video. But as for right now, that is just kind of what is going on with the Sylvia. And I will update you guys if anything else happens. But if you guys like the videos, give a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you subscribe, because not only with the build videos, I will be doing posting videos that I do with Airlift or any other clients that has to do with cars and all that. So not only from this channel that you get a build series, but you also get good content from the event and shows that I go and cover. Like I said, if you enjoy watching these videos, give a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you whenever I buy those parts.